Police officers were called out to handle irate crowds at health centers across the country on Thursday. This as over 60s turned out for a second day to attempt to get vaccinated against COVID-19. Terry Browne-Campbell tells us more in this report.
Hundreds of elderly people and others with non-communicable diseases hurried angrily away from health centers on Thursday, disappointed to learn that only 50 people were being allowed to receive vaccines. Many told TTT News they waited on Wednesday for hours without receiving their vaccines, so they came out on Thursday only to be turned away again.
This is unfair. They don't organize. They say 60 and over, right? You have people out here who can't say stand up. Come on, you understand me? This is unfair to people. Why is it doing that?
Tempers flared when staff from the various health centers announced that even less persons than the day before would receive the vaccine.
I heard Mr. Dayal Singh said from A to E could get the vaccine today. I live at Champlain, so I came down this morning to get the vaccine, and I was told it was finished, and they can't tell me what to do after that.
Another pensioner expressed her frustration with the process.
Down here and get it because I'm a diabetic and I had operation and all kind of thing. So I don't really know where to do again or where to go anywhere again, right? Because I can't walk properly. I have a spine operation.
Many of the vaccine seekers were seen using walkers, canes and being assisted by younger relatives to get to vaccination sites. Terry Browne-Campbell, TTT News.
TTT News reached out to the officials of both the Northwest Regional Health Authority and the North Central Regional Health Authority for comment on the way forward with the vaccination process for their areas. Both corporate communications managers have promised to update on the matter as soon as possible. The Tobago Regional Health Authority is stressing that there are no walk-in arrangements at health facilities in Tobago. This piece of information comes following an influx of persons gathering at health centers across the nation on Wednesday requesting vaccinations.
Did have a number of persons descending on the health centers, demanding basically to be vaccinated on a walk-in basis. Vaccinations are not by walk-in. Vaccinations continue on the island of Tobago by an appointment system.
Dr. Mitchell noted that there has been an increase in the public's response to the Sinopharm vaccine. She emphasized that there is no need for persons to register for second doses, noting they would be contacted. Meanwhile, as Tobago health officials continue to ramp up vaccinations, Dr. Mitchell informed that an additional site has been brought on stream.
I would like to publicly thank the manager and staff of the Magdalena Grant in terms of hosting this additional site. We will bring that site up on Saturday the 12th of June 2021 from 8 a.m. The site will operate from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. We will, however, begin with the vaccination, exclusive vaccination of members of the construction industry and the tourism industry.
So far, 6,831 persons have received their first dose of the AstraZeneca and Sinopharm vaccines, while 404 received their second. And Secretary for Health, Wellness and Family Development says with current numbers, the island is well on its way to having at least 60% of Tobago's population fully vaccinated by September.